bail.
Not a protection until I obtain bail, my lord, kindly, please. In this case.
Yes.
Because I'm unaware about
Newly
the
married.
No, I'm unaware about the registration of this FIR. And now
Not yet registered.
It's already been registered.
Already registered.
this I was
Which one?
We submitted the
354D.
direction. Yes.
ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಮಾಡಾಗಿದ್ರೆ I cannot now say anything.
because
Check your bail.
I'm unaware about the details.
Check your bail. Give rest to your desires, sir. Check your bail.
Because my lord, there is a chance of my lord, respondent number 2 coming before this court and closing the matter, because she is of the opinion that these things may not continue. At least back in the day when they had a chance to interact with each other, subsequent to the registration of the first
Comes, we will see.
notice may kindly be ordered.
Not a case for notice. You can get the lady even otherwise. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You can go through the police.
Please, my lord.
They're settling the matter, let them settle.
They have no.
Because for her also it is
Yes,
better.
Yes. We will not come in a way.
But this attitude of yours is wrong. You're a government servant again.
Please.
Then you lose your job, sir.
Already lost, my lord, suspended.
Suspended. There's not loss of job.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Temporary loss.
Wait,
Department ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
no, not yet.
Okay. Anyway, valiant effort, but not petitioner is not a person to whom intelligence can be shown. Yes.
Great.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು FSL ಗೆ
2 pages. madam.
registry will give
Yes, no, acknowledge the postal receipt in the letter, man. Both.
whatever ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Page 45 to 47.
45 to 47 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. pages 45 to 47. Yes, next.
Great.
Let the office. Yes.
Orders 27.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes, upon the second respondent. Yes.
Connected matters.